Today we are, let's try that again. Cut. Okay, again.
Cut.
Today I'm introducing us to our off-the-grid homestead.
You're introducing us. You really know the place.
And I put my shoulders up as well. It's not very good.
Can I just give you an example?
Yeah, you do it.
Today we are introducing you to our off-the-grid homestead. We are very excited to show you everything, all our mistakes, everything we're building, and everything we still want to do. This is my wonderful husband Shane.
My beautiful wife Shirley.
Oh, that's very nice of you.
Yeah. She's the talker.
I'm the talker.
You see, I'm the doer.
Yeah, he's the boring one, I'm the crazy one.
Off to do a chores. Always in a happy good mood.
And Shane is off to do his chores. Okay, that's the boring one. There he goes. Gaan werk! Okay, so let's tell the audience what kind of animals we have on our homestead at this stage.
So we got chickens. We got ocelot chickens there for our eggs. All our chickens are pasture raised on grass and grain as well. And we got meat chickens, broilers, also raised on pasture. And then we got dorper sheep. Started off with 5 ewes and 1 ram, and we have 13 now. The flock is growing.
And then we have 2 Australian cattle dogs.
Yeah, Shadow and Pepper.
Love living on the farm as a homesteader.
I do. It's a lovely life. It's far better than living in town. We've been living here now for 10 years.
10 years.
I can't say I haven't missed moving back to town. There's days that you wish you just had that one little thing from the shop quickly. We can't do that.
Yes, we're very isolated here.
So we must plan ahead.
Yeah. And Shane and our children are all grown out the house. So
Yeah.
it's just us.
Our youngest is 20.
20, yes. And
Yeah.
our eldest is 26.
Yes.
Yeah, we've got 4 children between the 2 of us.
Yeah. This one's not happy. She's not happy at all. Oh, there we go. Put her to sleep. She's going to sleep. How many ocelots do we have?
We've got 28 now. Here you go, baby girl.
Oh, she's completely calm.
What good enough. I love my chickens. Hello, Mama. Hello, Mommies. Hello, Mamas. Please explain to the people what our goals are going forward of the homestead.
Our most important goal is to grow our soil, and we grow our soil using animals. We don't use chemicals or anything. And sheep eat the grass nice and short. We got chickens that follow behind them, and we get benefit from all these animals. From the sheep, obviously, cuddles.
Most important, actually.
Yeah, we don't want to slaughter them. And I suppose that will happen as well. And the chickens follow behind. They give us eggs, fresh farm eggs. We have for breakfast. Yeah, it just gives us great pleasure to have these babies. We got our broiler chicks as well, which also follow behind on pasture, and they keep the grass fertilized, where the bigger chicks will actually scratch open all the poo and the dung.
Give him a little kiss, Daddy.
In your happy place.
Happy place! Okay, so we are growing everything we eat in the greenhouse. So we've got some normal cabbage, red cabbage. I'm growing some red peppers here, some cucumbers, obviously some flowers, always flowers. I've finished harvesting all our lettuce. We've only got a few heads left. I quite like the butter lettuce. So they don't taste so bitter after they've been here for a long time. Little section here is for all my herbs. This is where we grow our extra feed for the chickens. Avocado, that's done with oats, and also barley.